A God Word This, a daily reading from the Jamaican New Testament by Ethnodoxologist Joanne Richards Goffe.
Greetings, greetings, greetings. I wonder if you are one Jew. I wonder if you are really one Jew. Think about it. And while you think about it, if you want more people to hear God talk to them in the Jamaican language, then click the like button, drop a comment below, and share this with all of your friends. And of course, if you're not subscribed to the channel yet, now is a very good time to click the subscribe button and the notification bell to make sure so you don't miss none of what I go on right here. So today, I'm going to read from Paul's letter to the Roman them, chapter 2, from verse 17 to verse 29. So now, what about Uno? Uno say Uno a Jew. Uno put no trust in the law and boast about how Uno belong to God. Uno know what God want Uno to do. And cause Uno know the law, Uno know what right and Uno know say that Uno to do. Uno believe say Uno a leader for the people we're blind and that Uno our light for the people where they're in a darkness. Cause Uno know the law, Uno feel say Uno know and understand everything and that everything where Uno say are true something. And sake of that, Uno feel say Uno can correct the people them when you know right from wrong. Uno can teach the people them when you know the truth. Uno a teach other people. So how come Uno not learn? How come Uno not follow when Uno teach? How come Uno a preach say people not a thief, but Uno a thief? Uno tell people say them not sleep with people where them not married to. So what make Uno sleep with people where Uno not married to? Uno talk against the false god them. Uno say Uno hate them. But Uno a thief things out of the house which part people worship them. Uno brag and boast about how Uno know God law. But Uno not follow it. Uno not say when Uno do that, Uno a cause people for not have no respect for God. It all right down in a God word. Say, Uno we say Uno a Jew. Uno a cause the people where are not Jew for say all sort of wicked sin about God. If Uno a follow the law, then the fact say Uno circumcise means something. But if Uno not follow the law, Uno could have circumcised little more. It no mean a thing. I like say Uno never circumcise in the first place. So now, the people them were not Jew and were not circumcised. If them a do all of what the law said them for do, Uno not think say God go treat them same like how him treat the people were circumcised. Uno not think say him a go take them for feme people. And Uno were circumcised and know the law, but I broke it. Uno not think say the people them were not circumcised but I follow the law. Now go judge Uno. Not true, somebody circumcised and I live like one Jew. Mean say them are really one Jew. The people them where are really Jew are the one them where God take for being people, cause them allow the Holy Spirit for change them heart. No cause them circumcised or know the law. Them the people there, God I go big up, even if other people nah big them up. But God word this. Thank God.
Want more info? Check the description box. Little more.